What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Beowulf back at it with another video. Man, just got my fuel for the night. Got on the water late today, later than I was expecting. But I was editing a video and had to get some other stuff done before I could go out and go jet skiing. It's Sunday fun day. Let's go find if there's some jet skis out, want to race, or if there's any of these cigarette boats out lurking that want to race. I want to race somebody today. I want to race. I don't care who it is, as long as they challenge, I'm ready. Let's do it. So I'm gonna hunt down the Waterway. There's a concert that's on the Waterway. It's on Sunday, so I'm gonna head down that way. See if I run any fellow, you know, Sea Doo, Kawasaki, Yamaha, the old school Honda turbo jet skis. I don't know. If anybody wants to run, we'll see who's out still, wants to play. Who wants to come out and play? Let's do it. Oh yeah, I picked up some of these bandanas. I don't know what you call them. Face shields? Face shields. This one's like a shark. Rawr, I'm the Alpha Omega. I'm the Alpha Omega of the Waterway.
It's too late for it. I am a dada.
Man, there goes that Coast Guard boat. Man, that's crazy. I've never, ever, I'm out here all the time. I've never, ever seen a Coast Guard boat ever coming through there. Ever. So I've seen that last weekend there was a police boat, which usually it's the DNR patrol. Now it's a Coast Guard. It's crazy. Now they're trying to do donuts in front of the Coast Guard. There's nothing they can do. Beat that. You can't do that on the street, do donuts past the police. Yeah. Stopped. Whoa, where's he going? That's what I'm talking about. This is the guy I want to race. He's always going the opposite way. saw a GP 1800. It was sitting there just enjoying the concert. And then I saw a RXT-X. Again, somebody else enjoying the concert. Nobody wants to race. Dylan wanted to race me. And I didn't get the camera out. I was thinking he's all wild coming up on me. I thought it was a race. It was no type of race. But it's like sad to see, like, here it's gonna be still warm to I think like December, so like hot, which I'm pretty positive. But the thing that's like disappointing the most isn't like summer's ending, it's getting darker sooner. Like right now I think it's not even 7 o'clock yet and the sun's almost set. And the thing when you're out here on the jet ski and you got no lights, I mean, last night when I was riding back in, it was nearly dark and I shouldn't have been out there. People could, I don't even know if people could really see me, but I was traveling such a great distance to get home. It's like, usually it gets dark at like past 8 o'clock, like 8:30, 9 o'clock. And it's just like, whoa. In the last couple of weeks, it's just like the day's gone really early. That's why I love the most about summer is that you have more in a day of daylight. And then once it gets winter, it gets darker like what, 4, 5, 6 o'clock. Oh, so disappointing. Why do they do the time change? I just don't understand it. Because I think it would stay later or be lighter later if they didn't do the time change. I don't know. Comment at the bottom what you guys know. Why are they doing the time change? Because then it gets darker sooner. I don't like that. I'm trying to find a race and like everybody's out hanging out at the concert, so you know, I came out here to ride. I didn't come out here to like lay back at a concert. So I could enjoy the concert if I wanted to. I got no anchor, so can't anchor myself down. I just start drifting all around. Well, let's start heading her back. See if we're on any alligators. There might be other people to race on the way back. I just don't know. I just don't know. So let's see what we can run into. Man, still was a fun Sunday fun day. I wish there's a little race with the spark I had on video. I had my camera out because I kind of rolled up on him and then he was really trying to run me and then I squatted down and just hit that throttle and booyah, just left him like he's standing still. Which you would have figured it's a spark. I mean, it's like no hate in sparks, but it's like sparks, I think they only top out like 55 miles per hour, not even that, so it's not that fast. Like to me, you get so used to speed. Like today, she's running really good. I'm running 75 today, and I was running 76 yesterday with the RXP-X, which I was like really impressed. And that really makes a difference what the temperature is outside, what you're gonna run. I mean, I was just watching a thing where like when these supercar manufacturers are trying to get the Guinness World Record of top end speed. And it's not as easy as you guys all think, because everybody lives different places, temperature's all different, it can make effect on top end speed. But they had to get the Guinness World Record, they had to go northbound and southbound back and get the average from going both ways. So when they're going one direction, they can get one speed, and then all the way back, they can get another speed. So that's what it's kind of like. There's some good days when the weather's good. It's not as humid, this thing runs like a champ, and there's other days, you know, like 71's all I can get. Today I got 75. I really like to hit that 80 mile per hour mark before the season ends. Just 2 little mods I have to do. I've been just planning out what I want to do when doing it. I just don't want any downtime on the jet ski. That's the only thing. I want to ride it every weekend, and if the time it all right, if I'm going to do it myself or pay somebody to do it. There's one mod I want to do. I don't think I have all the tools to do it. I think from reading up on it. I don't want to start tearing apart something that I don't have all the tools to do. So I'm debating of who I want to use in the area with doing this. I want to change the prop out, so I don't know if I want to go to the dealer. There's like 2 dealers to choose from, but who knows how long they take, and if it takes over a week, it's 1 week less of riding before the season ends. So I don't know, I'm just trying to plan it out. And then still the plans are too what to do with the RXP-X. I mean, it's only got 1 mod. It's a lot to plan. When you got 2 jet skis to be modded up, it's a lot of planning what to do, what you're going to do your next mod. So jet back and see what we run into. Somebody said like right around this area there was a bull shark that jumped out of the water. That's what this marina told me. And then the other craziest thing, I forgot to talk about this in the last couple of videos. So last weekend in South Carolina, I think it's called Hilton Head. like an hour south of here. Someone was walking her dog in her neighborhood, and there was like a pond or a lake, I don't know, one of the two. She's walking her dog, and this alligator comes out to try to eat her dog, and she wants to try to save her dog. And the sad thing is, like, actually the alligator ended up eating her. It just didn't attack her, it ate her. And that's pretty freaky. And there's tons of alligators out there. I mean, you just don't see them. So that's a lot of when you guys watch these videos. I'm not gonna say if I fell in the water right now, I'm gonna get eaten by something, but you don't know what's below here. And the water looks like this isn't because the water's dirty. I've seen this in videos, and I don't want to keep on commenting saying this to every single person. The water's not dirty, so like, I'll roll in close to show you guys this stuff. So like, it's different plants and stuff, or trees. So like, see these trees are right in the water right there? I think they call these cypress trees. And these roots, like a, you know, like, think of like when you have tea, if you've ever had tea, or go buy a bag of tea and put it in clear water. You put the tea bag in, and then the water changes a different color. It looks like almost the same thing, and it's all a good thing. The water is not dirty. It just stains the water a different color, which is totally clean. And just for people to know, all the drinking water around here that people get, like tap water, is all coming from like the rivers and stuff. So, you know, it's not dirty water. And you get to the ocean, you got it mixed with like fresh water, salt water, and you got this, it goes through the whole way. And there's different plants farther down. Like if you look at the water here, up the waterway is different than once you start going down south there. And I just figured to give these people like a heads up, because it's like, it's a lot to be sending links or explaining this. And the water is not dirty. This is like, it's a man-made waterway. I think you can take this all the way to Florida from what somebody told me, and it's man-made back in like the Civil War. So it is perfectly clean, and you know, like, it's like the Caribbean. The ocean looks totally different down there than up here. And there was like, in the last video, the water was like super blue, and then you can go out there another time and it's like a little darker blue. It just, you know, stuff changes. Nothing's dirty. I'm not going in here and drinking the water, right? Like putting it in my mouth and drinking it. So it's like perfectly fine for the jet ski. And I just want to give an explanation of what's going on. See, it's all these trees, and they stain the water. So just think about that, guys, all right? The water's not dirty, it's not gross, it's perfectly clean. And that's when you see it splash up, it's like clear. So it's not, yeah. Enough about this, the water. But it's dangerous. So like, you know, you got alligators, you got sharks that are in fresh water here. And then like, you know, God knows what's in the ocean that can eat you too. So I mean, when you go out, you see the videos where I go out in the waves and jump them. I mean, I'm trying my best to get as high as I can, but I'm not gonna get as high as I possibly can. It's gonna knock me off the jet ski, because Myrtle Beach is like the top 5 most dangerous beaches with sharks. I don't want to get in the water, in the ocean. I don't even go, when I go to the beach, I don't go in that far, and there's shark attacks happen all the time, and in the town of Myrtle Beach, I don't know, they just try to keep it on the low down because it's a tourist place. So, and I don't want to try to freak everybody out. Myrtle Beach is safe. If you go in the water, just don't go too far, and don't be going to the water where people are fishing. Don't go under any docks, you know, any of that kind of stuff, and you'd be all right. But yeah, it's a gamble of what could be in the water right now. It might want to eat me. That's why I don't go in. Alright guys, so this is like the end of the video. End of the road for today. Make sure if you guys have a plan, go through with it. Be driven to win. Don't have anybody tell you can't become somebody, because you can become whatever you want if you put your mind to it. Why is there a bug attacking me? Hang on, I gotta move farther down. There's a bug. Interrupted by an insect. Got something to say. All right, so don't have anybody tell you you can't become something, because if you put your mind to it, never give up, and you'll become whatever you want to be. To be driven to win in life. This is the end of the video. To my subscribers, I appreciate it. Woo! We're getting big here. We're growing big. Let everybody know who I Am Beowulf is. Is there another vlog coming at me? Whatever. Alright. Let them know who I Am Beowulf is. Same bug. What the heck? Leave me alone. I'm trying to do an outro. Okay, hang on. A little farther up. I won't stop at this spot again. But to people who have not subscribed yet, man, click the subscribe button, smash it, get on the notifications too to be knowing what's going on. Make sure you guys like the video too. I like the likes, the thumbs up, subscribing, thumbs up. Let's do it. Let's get it big, and let's try to. My goal is to have like the huge meetups, like where I start traveling places. We all meet up, we go cruising, and so I'm planning to go to where you guys are. We just got to get this big, so when I go, we have big groups to ride with. So let's do it. This is the end of the video. I'll see you guys back in the next one. Peace out. Peace out.